If a foreigner said, "Hi, I think you are beautiful," would you be flattered or uncomfortable? If a foreigner used this pickup line on you, would it work? "Excuse me, do you know CPR? Because you just took my breath away." What is your name and how old are you?
Mercy, 21 years old.
If you want more videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Now let's start our interview. Mercy, if an attractive foreigner looked at you and smiled, would you smile back or do nothing?
Mm, I will, yes, of course. For me.
You will what?
I will smile back.
Why?
It's okay to, it's okay to be as a as a people, and we should oh God.
It's okay. It's okay. Ano? Kaya yan mo naman. As a people, what? Ili ka na? She's very...
For me, yes, I will, because it's okay to smile back. We can express something that as a kindness to them, for them, as a people.
Let's say you have a very jealous partner. For example, would you smile back to someone, especially a guy?
Yes, of course.
So it doesn't matter.
I mean, I don't have any boyfriend.
Oh, you don't have a... But let's say you're in a relationship. Do you, would you still smile back to someone, especially if he is a guy and he's a foreign guy?
No.
No, you wouldn't.
Yes,
Because you're in a relationship.
I already.
Okay. So if the Filipina wouldn't smile back to the guy, that means she's in a relationship.
Maybe.
If a foreigner used this pickup line on you, would it work? "Excuse me, do you know CPR? Because you just took my breath away."
You cannot get me, mom.
Okay. So it's not gonna work on you.
No.
Why?
That it doesn't matter about that pickup line.
Oh, it doesn't matter to you.
Yes.
Okay. So what matters to you then?
Maybe genuine, not just being in just in pickup lines and like that.
So if he is genuine to you, that's better than pickup lines. So pickup lines won't work. What do you mean by genuine?
Pure. I mean, something that maybe I know him from the very start, or he courted me like that.
Oh, court. Would you ever make the first move if you thought a foreigner was handsome?
No, no, I don't want.
You never did that.
No,
But do you know people or friends, family that does it?
no, I don't.
So do you think it's not common here in the Philippines or here in Naga, like women to do the first move because she thought he is handsome?
Yes. Maybe for me.
Maybe.
Yes.
Okay, what's the biggest green flag that makes you think, "I want to get to know him"?
Mm, kind.
That's it. Just being kind. Okay. If a foreigner said, "Hi, I think you are beautiful," would you be flattered or uncomfortable?
No. Still no.
Flattered or uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Why?
If he's strange and stranger, or I don't know even know him, I don't flatter. Maybe I feel uncomfortable.
Oh, so she's saying that if she doesn't know the person, completely stranger, she would feel uncomfortable. But if you know the person and maybe like for a week or a few days, would you feel flattered?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. If you weren't interested, how would you politely reject a foreigner? Like you don't like him, how would you reject him politely?
Mm, Maybe I'm not ready.
So you're gonna tell him that you are not ready to have a relationship.
Yes.
Okay. She's not ready to commit. What's one piece of advice you would give foreigners who want to approach Filipinas without scaring them away?
Mm, I guess can you
What advice would you give to foreigners who want to approach? Let's say there's a foreigner, okay, and he sees your friend, okay. So how should he approach her so your friend wouldn't run away?
maybe you should getting to know each other first so that you can maybe your friend is searching for other partner, or I mean
No, no. How should he approach her? Let's say right now there's a foreigner and he approached your friend. How should he approach her without scaring her? Because she might run away. She's like, ah, she was gonna be like that. She's gonna get scared. So how to avoid that to happen? What's your advice to the foreigner?
I don't have any
You can say it in Bicol if you want.
mm,
Paano ba dapat siya i-approach si friend mo? Time is day matakot si friend mo.
di pa ko encounter kayo, ma'am.
You never encountered it, so you couldn't really picture it.
Yes.
Okay, but thank you so much. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. You're still in college?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Financial management.
Are you single, by the way, or are you taken? Like, do you have a boyfriend? Are you married? What?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Months.
Okay, she's with her friends. Do you want to say hi, babe? Ano, babe? Para mahiling ka ba sa camera mo na she's with her friends.
Wala, single din yan.
Oh, she's single. Oh, thank you so much, babe. Babe, mga piece kita, babe. 1, 2, 3 piece for outro. What is your name and how old are you?
Hello, my name is Ashley and I'm 21 years old.
Ashley, if an attractive foreigner looked at you and smiled, would you smile back or do nothing?
I think I would smile back because it's basic human decency po. That's all po.
If a foreigner used this pickup line on you, would it work? Excuse me, do you know CPR? Because you just took my breath away.
It won't work because I think it's an inappropriate pickup line for me po.
What do you mean inappropriate? Like,
Why would you hit on me with that kind of pickup line? It's like nakakabastos for me po, in my opinion.
what is nakakabastos in English? Like being disrespectful.
Yeah, in my ano po. Or I'm just sensitive.
Okay. What kind of pickup line would be like okay to you? Or would you approve?
I think just by saying that I look beautiful or cute po.
Do you always get that compliment from others?
Yes po, but I haven't received compliments from foreigners po.
Would you ever make the first move if you thought a foreigner was handsome?
No po, I'm not that kind of woman po.
But do you know anyone like close friends that does that?
No po. We are all not like that po.
Maria Clara, like very Filipina.
Yeah.
What's the biggest green flag that makes you think I want to get to know him?
Po?
What's the biggest green flag that makes you think I want to get to know him?
When he is polite to his what's the English of kapwa? Like
Other
yeah,
people.
like other people, when I see if he's like magalang, like that po.
Magalang means
Respectful po. Yeah.
so if he is respectful to others, that's a green flag for you. If you weren't interested, how would you politely reject a foreigner?
I would say that I already have a boyfriend and I am not interested po.
Let's say you are single, a single Filipina. How would you reject him politely?
Just like that po. I'll say I'm not interested. That's all po.
Do you think that's polite? Like let's say you are the foreign man and I'm you. I'm gonna say, I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Do you think that's polite?
I think I'll say I'm not ready to commit in a relationship or be in a relationship if ever, and I'm not interested po.
That's that's good. Be honest.
Yes.
Instead of saying something which is not. What's one piece of advice you would give foreigners who want to approach Filipinas without scaring them away?
I think approach in a friendly manner and don't say pick up lines like that CPR po. Because I think some Filipinas won't be flattered about it po. That's all po.
Okay. What do you think about the pickup line? Do you think it's corny? What's your first if you first heard that, other than you feel like what did you say earlier? You said that it's inappropriate.
Yeah,
Mhm.
inappropriate. Um, what was the question again?
What's your first reaction if you heard it? Like, is it corny to you? Other than it's inappropriate?
It's actually corny, and I think it's uh gas gas. Like it's
Used.
yes, it's used, and it's not. I think it won't work on me, but I guess some Filipinas will appreciate that kind of hit up, but for me po, no.
Okay, let's talk in general. Do you think a lot of Filipinas would want someone, especially a foreign guy from another country, does like pickup lines?
I can't say behalf of them, but I guess some of them,
They want that.
I think so po.
Okay, let's say there's a foreigner out there who's like who see you in the public. How can he approach you like that you wouldn't feel uncomfortable?
For me, if I'm single, I think a simple hi will do and like a friendly chat, but I don't like chats like that about the CPR thing, but I I think it if a foreigner will approach me, I think I want him or her to approach me like a friendly and simple chat like that po. That's
Like that. Like let's like asking like, oh, where you're from? Like casual.
yeah, like casual conversations po.
Okay. But not to pick up lines.
Yeah. I don't like uncomfortable pickup lines po.
I know that you're still studying. What are you studying, Be?
I'm a fourth year HM student po, hospitality management.
So you're graduating.
Yes po.
Okay. Where do you see yourself after 10 years, let's say?
I hope in 10 years I'm working in a cruise ship as a bartender or barista or to have my own coffee business po. Yeah.
What is your favorite coffee? Because we have this matcha, we have Spanish latte, which is our favorite.
Actually, my favorite is matcha latte too po. I just had a drink at Just Brew po, matcha latte.
A lot of Filipinos like matcha. I don't know what's on it, but they really love matcha. I guess they love grass or something.
Kasi it tastes like grass, but for me, it's delicious po.
That's good. That's good for you. Okay. What do you call this? Studying. You're here from Naga, right?
Yes po.
Okay. But thank you so much. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you so much. Thank you.